turn on this way. I'll show you my little secret. Of course, there's gravel in every single one of these corners, right? A little bit of twisties, not much, but hey, they're still fun. This is what I wanted to show you. This is awesome. Ow, I see what they mean. Anyway, what I'd like to review today are my ammo can panniers and the Dirtracks luggage racks. This is actually my first ride with them. I do believe these are the 40mm ammo cans, and you know, lots of space. They're inside diameters 17.5 inches this way, 7.5 inches this way, and 14.5 inches deep. I know some people take this extra metal out, but I'm not going to worry about it. But as you can see, there's a nice gasket on it. And the mounting points, so you got this. I put rubber that I Super 7.7 glued on there. And then I put a plate that I made, because they just give you the nuts and this bracket here. And I red Loctited it on with this plate. And then on this side of the plate, I cut up an inner tube and put some hole punches that are the same size. And then I black RTV'd it on this side, and then screwed the heck out of them. To get them off, you unscrew these, and then they just lift right up, and then you have the racks in here. I'd take them off, but I don't really feel like doing that right now. But yeah, so they just lock down, and they do have some lock kits for these, but for now I'm just going to leave them as is. You know, I still work on it during the winter, and you know, now I got some extra storage. And I went this way too because the dirt racks were not overly expensive, and the ammo cans, well, they are a little pricey, but with everything said and done, I still came out less than half the price of what I would have paid for a set of the Tusk panniers. And don't get me wrong, I would have loved to have gotten a pair of the Tusk panniers and racks, because I think they are incredibly awesome looking. And yeah, so this is the way I went. I'm also probably gonna look into getting a set of the Nelson Riggs Adventure saddlebags. I think they were featured on the Fort9 channel. It's cheap alternatives, and basically they're just a soft saddlebag for you know, 120 bucks, and they're a dry bag too. So yeah, that's a quick review of the Dirtracks luggage racks. You can get these also in a powder coated model or an unpainted model to save money, and I went with the unpainted version of them. And if hindsight was 2020, I would have went with the powder coated ones, because at the end of the day, after buying the stuff to clean the metal and the primer and the paint, I actually wound up spending more to buy these ones than I would have spent to buy the ones that were already powder coated. So, you know, if I were to do it again, I'd buy the powder coated ones already done, and you know, they're done and you don't have to worry about them, right? So anyway, that's my review. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and ride safe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Oh yeah, you know, quickie, yeah, probably going, why don't you walk down there? And so, such a cool bridge. I like these old bridges. Yeah, nice. Ooh, my nice river. I think this is the James River, but I could be wrong. And of course, there's always somebody showing off their artistic abilities. Places like this. Go for a swing. Whee! Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day.